Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to be installing a picture light above this picture behind me. Hey, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss anything. So there's the picture light. Here's the one-page instruction sheet. This is the model number right there. Basically, it doesn't get a lot easier than this. It comes with a bracket. This is kind of like a French cleat. This angled piece here mates with the back of the light. Slips into that slot like so. These are really a pretty decent engineering marvel. Now this light has a USB charger, comes with the cord. It also comes with a remote. If I turn that on, I can control it with this remote on off. So basically all this job is hanging this on the wall. It also comes with one of those 3M sticky tape things. Don't use this. It's going to fall in the middle of the night and scare the crap out of you, so don't do that. Anyway, let's get started on installing this bracket. All right, first we're going to do a little measuring. This picture is roughly 27.5, which means my midpoint is going to be 13 3/4. And the way that bracket sits, there's a lot of flex in it, so I don't have to be nuts on. And I want it to be 2.5 inches above the frame. And so 2.5 there. So my intersection is right here. A little spit to remove the mark on the bottom. And I'm good to go. So the bottom of my, the bottom of my bracket is going to sit right along this horizontal line, and my vertical section is the midpoint of that. So what I did is I measured the bracket and drew a line there. So this should install like so, right in the middle. And the nice thing is that this light fixture has some slop in it, so I can move it over about 1/2 inch either way and nobody's the wiser. So that's roughly where my holes are going to go. I'm going to take a level and make sure that my holes are going to be level, and if they're not, then I'm going to adjust it. Yeah, I look like I'm pretty good. All right, time to put some screws in and see if we can hit a stud. Okay, so let's see if we've got any studs here where we need them. There's one over there, and of course none where we actually need them. Okay, so we're going to use some hollow wall anchors. They come included in the pack, and I got to get the drill and load up a bit. Okay, so here's a nice little hack for you, so you don't have to clean up a bunch of drywall dust. Little sticky notes underneath the holes you're about to drill, and then you fold up the paper, and it catches the drywall dust as it falls out of the hole, assuming it actually sticks up there. Okay. So I've got a drill bit. Now this drill bit is going to be too small for this hole, so I'm going to ream it out a little bit. And I usually just hold up the anchor behind the drill bit, and if I can see the drill bit, just the edges of it, it's about the right size. I can see a little more than I want to on this anchor, so I don't have the right size drill bit with me, so I'm going to drill and then ream it out a little bit. And of course, I use the back of the drill for the hammer, because that would require me getting off this little step stool and going to get it. Less work is better. Okay. Got those in. Carefully remove the drywall dust and dispose. Okay, so I've got the anchors in the holes. Now all I need to do is screw in the bracket so. That light does not weigh much at all. I don't want to crunch it down, just get it snug. There we go. And now I take this very expensive light fixture. By the way, this light fixture I think was about 38 bucks. And this little cleat that sticks out goes right into the back of that slot. Push it down a little bit and get my remote, turn it on and off. So yeah, I mean, you can adjust this once it's down. You can go out, down with it, up with it, but just remember that, you know, the base is just, it just has drywall anchor, so don't get too aggressive with it. Well, I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you're interested in our franchise opportunity, I'll leave a link for that in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.